Now I want that to dry evenly. And so we put that, oh, that did not work. Oh, I thought that was going to work, and it did not. Oh, well, it looks like I got to hold it for a bit. Oh, I can show you this, you guys. Yesterday, I made a hinge. Yes, I had the wings break off the SR-71 Blackbird when it fell off the top of my car at the last toy show. Broke 3 of the wings. And yeah, that was a disaster. But I repaired it, put them back on, and they're good as new. I do have something I can show you here, just a second. All right. About 4 months ago or so, roughly, this fell off the shelf and the head broke off. Well, when I made this and I created the neck joint, I told a friend of mine at that time, I said, you know, that neck joint is going to break. And let me see, when did I make this? 2017, 8/13/2017. Okay, so 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That's what, 7, 8 years? And the neck broke. And so I rebuilt it with this kind of a neck. This kind of a neck will not break. It's very tough. And so I don't have to worry about it breaking. I am. Ah, yes. Ah, yes, that's a good idea. And you guys, I started building these things 16 years ago. Now, the cool thing about building them that long ago is that, who is? Ah, Shooter, nice to see ya. This was the very first piece I made right here. Now, it got blown up in the game that we were playing, and so we had to patch it to get it back. And that's why this one became Patch. That was the name of this thing. And it was alien metal that they were having to use to patch with, so a lot of different color than a Falcon. And so I just kept making them. One of the guys in the game asked me if I could make more because they were absolutely shocked that I made that one out of paper. And so I started making more.